excuse this kasi I just woke up, almusal lang ako, and yeah. So today is going to be a self-care day kasi you know what? My birthday's coming up, Valentine's Day is coming up, and ang gagawin lang natin is, you know, take care of ourselves. Let's start this day by removing this nail polish. Kasi kahapon, nag-decide ako, sige, mag-nail polish ako para naman cute-cute kasi mahaba yung nails ko ngayon. So, tinry ko lang siya. Pero parang ayaw ko na. Titignan ko yung salamin dito. So yeah, we're gonna remove this. So ano ba yung usual kong gagawin during my self-care day? So I have a list that says to feel better, and yun yung mga list na yun yung mga stuff na ginagawa ko to feel better. Malamang. So yun yung mga ginagawa ko, mga parang small tasks lang siya, small things, you know, to make my day a little better, especially when I'm feeling like, when I'm not feeling good about myself. And so, natanggal na natin siya. Ang sunod na natin gagawin is do a full bath. Full bath means shampoo, conditioner, full body exfoliation, and everything. Then, balik ako later to do other stuff pa. Self-care day. I'm back. Tatapos ko lang maligo and we're gonna do my skincare. Nakita niyo naman na to before sa dati. Ako lang ba yung... Kita niyo ba yung difference ng mukha ko sa other body parts ko? Look. Kita niyo ba? Last week, 2 days ako sa dagat. Nagsa-sunscreen naman ako and all. Nakakatawa lang yung itsura kasi medyo tanto. But it's okay. Okay, so we are going to do my skincare na. Let's start with my moisturizer. As always, Lux Organics Miracle Solutions. Grabe talaga yung kulay. Grabe yung difference ng kulay dito. So, after my moisturizer, babayaan ko lang siya mag-sit sa face ko for now. And while waiting for that, nalagay tayo ng ating lip mask. Lagay ko din itong gamit. After that, magsusuklay na tayo. Yan. So, after natin magsuklay, okay na siguro yung moisturizer ko. Punta naman tayo sa sunscreen. Lux Organics ulit. Lux Organics, baka naman. Comb out ko lang with the spoolie ang kilay ko. And the next thing na gagawin ko ay we're going to meditate and journal. It really helps my... And a part of our self-care day is dressing up cute. For today, nakapambahay lang naman ako. So green top and jogging pants because it's a bit cold. Very comfy siya. Ukay lang to. And ito ay sa mga tiangge lang. And we're going to meditate. Hindi ako ganun mag-meditate. Usually kasi pag nagme-meditate ako, nakahiga lang ako, like straight, kung saan ako comfortable. And then, makikinig ako sa mga music like this. Sa mga healing frequencies sa Spotify. So, meditate muna ako, then balikan ko kayo. Natapos ko lang mag-meditate, and ngayon, I'm going to write on my journal with my crystals, and I'm going to light an incense. Ito pa rin yung journal ko. Halfway pa lang siya, and ito pa rin yung gagamitin ko. natin gagawin is babasa tayo ng libro. Ito yung una kong biniling book. Manipis lang siya and mura lang. Pero hindi ko pa siya nasisimulan. And ito ay regalo to sa akin ng kapatid ko. Birthday gift niya to sa akin. Nasimulan ko na to pero nasa part 1 pa rin ako. Kasi nag-start lang ako is yesterday. So what we're going to do is read this book. I've decided na I'll make myself a drink pero hindi siya kape kasi this one's easier. So I'm going to make myself matcha. I don't usually drink matcha pero today we're going to. It's milky and sweet. That's it for sa pag video ng for YouTube Shorts. And so gusto ko pa rin talaga ang coffee. Coffee pa rin. Hi guys, I'm back. So ngayon is nighttime na and nakapag-dinner na ako. And ang last natin gagawin ay yung face mask kasi that is something that I like to do. And parang something special siya. Hindi siya yung lagi kong ginagawa eh. It's something special. So nakapag-dinner na ako, nakapaghilamos na din ako. Nakapag-toothbrush na ako pero gusto kong i-try itong bago kong binili. Yan. So ito muna una natin gagawin, yung lip scrub. Yan. So, gamit ko yung mirror na bigay ng friend ko. Maganda yung lip scrub. And then, ang sunod natin ilalagay is lip balm. Lagi ko nilalagay sa lips ko ay yung lip mask, which is good. Pero gusto ko lang din mag-try ng something new. Nivea Repair and Care with SPF 15. Nice. And then, for my face naman, mag-i-start tayo sa toner. Hindi kasi talaga ako nagto-toner, pero since trusted ko naman yung brand, tatry ko na din to. Natin gagawin, which is face mask. sleepy na kasi. It's 9:02. And usually, around 8, phones off na ako and natutulog na ako. That's why I'm low energy right now. Pero, let's take this off. Yeah, so that's it for my self-care day. Thank you for staying all throughout this video and tagging along with me while I do this. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much. I hope gawin nyo din to. Do your own self-care day. Do the things you like. Do the things that makes you feel good. Yeah. Inantok na talaga ako. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!